Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to his Pharmacology Difficult podcast. I'm your host Dr. Radhika Vijay, MBS MD Pharmacology, and this is the audio hub to get the best simplified basic tips, strategies, methods, and lots of ideas to learn better, understand better, and make your concepts crystal clear. If you really find and if there's a question hovering in your minds, is pharmacology difficult? Lend me your ears for a while and let in the magic of knowledge. So today I bring you 30 drug facts you should know before this year ends. The year is running by, the time is just flying, and we are going to enter in 2026. But before we enter in 2026, there's lot of information I want to give to all of you that you should really keep in your mind and start the year with a knowledgeable mind. So, fact number 1. Paracetamol is not anti-inflammatory. It is analgesic antipyretic with very less or zero anti-inflammatory action. Fact number 2. Ibuprofen is safer for the stomach than aspirin. Yes. It still carries gastrointestinal risk. It is not completely harmless. That you should keep in your mind. Fact number 3. Antibiotics don't treat viral infections. If you have common cold, you don't need antibiotics. They don't work. Fact number 4. Amoxicillin clavulanic acid is not stronger. It is broader. The spectrum is broad. So, why? Because clavulanic acid, it adds the beta-lactamase protection, not the strength or potency. That is a myth. Fact number 5. Ciprofloxacin should not be used in children until and unless it's very necessary. Why? Because there's a risk of tendon toxicity. Fact number 6. Most cough syrups don't actually cure cough. They are only symptomatic. They are not therapeutic. Fact number 7. Metformin comes from the French iliac plant, in case you did not know that. This is the coolest botanical origins of the pharmacology. Fact number 8. Statins works most effectively when they are taken at night because the cholesterol synthesis, it peaks up at night. Fact number 9. Proton pump inhibitors takes hours to act, not minutes. So they are not good for acute or emergency relief of the acidity. Keep this in your mind. Fact number 10. Steroids are double-edged swords. They have a lot of therapeutic effect. At the same time, they have a lot of heavy side effects also. So taper them. Don't suddenly withdraw them. Fact number 11. Antacids, they interfere with many of the drug absorptions, including fluoroquinolones, iron, tetracyclines, etc. Fact number 12. Insulin doesn't always mean the diabetes is advanced. Some patients need the insulin early also because of their metabolic profile. Fact number 13. Aspirin is the cornerstone for the post-heart attack therapy. It is simple, cheap, time-tested. Fact number 14. Benzodiazepines, they can cause dependency in just a few weeks. So use them for short term. Don't use them for the long term or chronic use. And use them with extreme caution. Fact number 15. Antihistamines of the first generation, they cross the blood-brain barrier and they cause the sedation. Fact number 16. Newer antihistamines don't cause sedation, and cetirizine sometimes it does, but fexofenadine, very rarely it may cause sedation. I know you know these things, but still just a little kind of a revision. Fact number 17. Digoxin has one of the narrowest therapeutic windows. So, if there is a tiny dose difference between the healing and the toxicity dose, use it with very caution. Fact number 18. Beta blockers, they are not for asthma patients. There's a lot of risk of bronchoconstriction. Fact number 19. AC inhibitors can cause dry cough. Why? Because of the bradykinin. Yeah, that's the culprit. Fact number 20. Warfarin interacts with many foods and drugs like spinach, antibiotics, broccoli, everything matters. So be careful. Fact number 21. Vaccines, they are pharmacology too. Please don't forget this. They are biologics that train the immune system. So they are not out of pharmacology, they are included in the pharmacology. Fact number 22. Not all kinds of pain is responding to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, that is NSAIDs. If there is a neuropathic pain, it will respond to antidepressants or anticonvulsants, not to NSAIDs. Remember this. Fact number 23. Topical steroids, they come in grades from mild to severe. So if you overuse the topical steroids, they can cause a lot of side effects. Skin thinning, very common side effect. Fact number 24. Oral contraceptive pills, they lose efficacy with some of the antibiotics, especially rifampicin. We know that causes OCP failure. Fact number 25. Drugs cross the placenta easily if they are lipid soluble. So not everything is safe in pregnancy. Please be very careful in that. Fact number 26. Grapefruit juice, it alters the metabolism of many of the drugs. Why? Because it inhibits the CYP3A4 enzymes. Fact number 27. Natural or Ayurvedic doesn't mean safe. Please, this is a myth. Don't go blind about this. Some of the herbs, they are interacting badly with the allopathic medicines. It is not safe always. Better to avoid them with the allopathic medicines, and if you're using, please be very cautious or twice consult the doctor. Fact number 28. Not all generics, they are identical to the brand name drugs. The bioequivalence range is around 80 to 125%. They are not always identical to the brand name drugs. So be careful in that also while choosing your medicine. Fact number 29. Drug allergies can be fatal even to common medicines. So before you give the drug, always document the allergies before giving the drug and take the history of the patient very nicely. Fact number 30. Polypharmacy increases adverse drug reaction risk exponentially. More drugs, more interactions, more the danger. Please avoid polypharmacy and work against to prescribe polypharmacy. And with that, we wrap up the 30 drug facts you should know before the year ends. And many of you knew many of the facts because you're a good student of pharmacology, I know. And this was a kind of a revision. So no harm in revising, and 30 drug facts I covered today that you should know before the year ends. Enter the year with a strong knowledge of pharmacology. Till the next time, thank you, take care, bye-bye.